Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize large display mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for large display mode and how to customize it. We are going to go to our settings menu, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and under visibility enhancements at the top we have our display modes. We are interested in customizing large display, so let's first see what does it change. So font size and screen zoom are increased, bold font and highlight buttons are turned on, etc. So let's apply it. And now we can add more options to our mode or less. We can do whatever we want in here. As you can see, we have quite a few options to choose from. No need to save, just back out to our home screen and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.